guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to make slime. You need flour. Oops, wait. And you need water. We wrote my name in Arabic and in English. So now the flour is done. You need water. Okay, a bit, but you must add a bit. I add a little bit more so it was too thick. So we turn it. So it's very becoming. It's becoming slime. Look. Wait, I'll show you. It's a bit slimy. It's a bit stretchy. And it's becoming. Wait. Stir it more and more and more. See, it's too thick. No, because it must be stretchy. So that one, I think it's slime, I think. Too sticky. Just play with your hand. Wait, I'll show you how it is. Wait. So that is the slime. Cat, it's not something to eat. It's stretchy a bit. Wait. It's a bit fluffy. Okay, wait. So that one is done. I'll show you. Oh, it's fluffy. It's a bit sticky. It's super stretchy and super fun to play with. So I'm going to make another one. That is on my spoon. Oh my god. It will stick to my spoon. So just play with it. Just do like that. Somewhere that you can. It's fun to play with. Just too liquidy. Add more flour. Wait, for me, we must add more flour. So, okay, another a little bit more than the first. Super fun to play with. Oh, it's becoming. Oh, it's sticky a bit. Oops, what I did. Oh, it's good, okay. Wait, you turn it, stir it till it just get less sticky. So that is the biggest one. I can do more bigger, but I don't want to waste. Because my mother said, don't waste, take a little bit, but I took more. It's okay, at least have more slimes. Okay. it will get less sticky after. It's a bit. So we're going to make another one. Just a little bit. Little bit. This will be the biggest one. So wait, look all my 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Then I stir it. I'm in my room. Hey, what are you looking for? Oh, you want to eat. Wait, I'll finish this video, then I'll show you. I'll give you, sorry. Okay, wait. Oh my god, it's the biggest one. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. Wait, 1 minute. So that is the biggest, and I do the smallest. Wait. Ah. Okay. I'll do the next. Okay. Oops, I added too much water. Oops. So, see you in the next shot. I'll bring more flour. Wait. Bye. So it's very sticky. The more you play with it, the less sticky it will get. Oops, it's very sticky. Wait. Oh my god. So there are many. It's very sticky, so just play with it. That's right. Oops. Oh, it's so fluffy. Oops. It's a bit sticky. It's so sticky. It's so stretchy. But I'll make it no strips. Oh no. It's very stretchy. It's no more sticky now. I'll mix the two together so it doesn't stick. So stretchy. Oh my god. So stretchy. It's so fluffy. It doesn't stick to my hand. Hear the sound. Wait. I didn't do it well.